Hey guys, so today we are going to be dyeing our hair using some of Lime Crime's unicorn hair dye. So we're going to do our roots with the charcoal, which is one of the ones that's designed for darker hair. And by darker hair they mean light, I think it's dark blonde to medium brown. And then I mixed some of charcoal with Bubblegum Rose, which is just one of the regular ones that's like a super pink. So this is the color that I came up with when I mixed those two together. So I'm going to do just charcoal on the roots, and I'm going to do that mixed color on the rest. So there's a little bit of controversy surrounding charcoal because they came out with charcoal and a couple of other colors that are supposed to be designed for dark hair. And a lot of people are saying that they either don't work at all on dark hair, or that this color in particular, charcoal, turns your hair green. I don't want green hair, but I do really like this color and I want to give it a try. So we're going to give it a try. Hopefully it doesn't turn my hair green. I usually do these videos like a good amount of time before I put them up, so if it does, I will let you guys know, because I will know ahead of time. Okay, so let's start this off on the roots. I should probably try to be more precise at some point in my life, but today is obviously not today. Hey guys, so here is our result. So obviously putting in the pink gave us more of a maroon, reddish, purplish payoff. But let me tell you, I don't know if you can see this, my root area right there is green. And I know that some people said when they just did the gray, they got green results. So I know I kind of chickened out by mixing it with Bubblegum Rose because I was a little worried because I really don't want green hair. But I do think there's a possibility it would have done that. So even though my hair had, like, I would say like warm undertones, putting that gray on top may not have worked out, especially if my hair, since my hair was lighter. But again, I'm not positive. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm really glad I mixed it in, and I think it looks really nice. So I'll definitely take a couple pictures and let you guys know how it washes and wears as time goes on, because I am quite curious myself how long it's going to last and how it's going to fade, because my before color is so light and it was, you know, designed for darker hair. So we will see. So I'll either include more video, more pictures, or the updates in the description box below. So thank you guys so much for watching.